RXRX stock analysis and RXRX stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do and how I'm going to trade. As the only person in this space that has actually done 40,000 videos, you know, I've seen what's making me money and what's not. When I tell you I've seen, bro, I've like literally made 40,000 videos. It's on my YouTube channel. You know, it's taken me 5 years, but even if I pull back, where my sell side really began was like in this video. That's when I really began being bearish, and at that time, I mean, since then, let's put it better. It was $6 2 months back. Since that has delivered here, I'm just looking to double down the same way. So here's that second try to catch that sell, and that has also delivered, which is very nice. And I'm here to tell you that I'm just expecting the lows to get cleared out. Not gonna force or touch anything. You can see I just have so many previous RXRX receipts Discord, but if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month with eye indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.